flourishing as the sun and devoted to the dream of green. GuoChen Group will serve the country with its industry, inheriting ingenuity in the new era with new opportunities and new driving forces for goods. GuoChen Group, the foregoer of intelligent heating. GuoChen Group, adhering to the spirit of integrity, cooperation, pioneering and innovation, and the vision of creating the most valuable industry group in the country, has become a national high-tech enterprise integrating production, research, investment, construction and operation, and a leader in the industry of high-end equipment in Shandong province. Its environmental service and smart heating industry surpass the domestic counterparts. The group is always committed to water pollution control, regional central heating supply, and remote control transformation, and the design and manufacture of heat energy equipment, such as energy-saving waste, heat recovery, heat exchanger products, pressure vessels, and plate heat exchangers. Meanwhile, it promotes the pressure pipeline installation, the first-class boiler installation, maintenance and renovation, and other multiple industry areas, simultaneously to provide customers with overall contracting and one-stop service. GuoChen Group is qualified in the A-level eco-friendly construction, municipal general contracting for mechanical and electrical installation, A-level environmental design, for the design and manufacturing of pressure vessel and plate-type heat exchanger, as well as the qualification for the installation of the Class A boiler and the installation of pressure pipes at all levels. The group has passed the certifications of ISO 9001 Quality System Certification and the 14001 Environmental Management System Certification at the Center, DBT 28001 Occupational Health Safety Management System Certification, Work Safety Standardization for the Secondary Enterprise, 3C Certification, and Enterprise Credit Grade 3A Certification. Intelligent Manufacturing. The group is a model of China's digital factory, connected to Industry 4.0 with Cloud Smart Internet plus Big Data platform. It integrates the whole production process into a set of equipment, which realizes the conversion of old and new driving forces for goods, the unattended operation and full-range visual remote control, and achieves the factory production and modular assembly. At present, the group's Cloud Intelligence Central Control Center has accessed more than 100 cents of sewage treatment projects and blackwater water treatment projects, thousands of cents of heat exchange unit equipment, and atmospheric desulfurization and denaturation processing projects, the operations of which are stable and reliable. With a perfect quality system, the group has successfully undertaken a series of projects such as the 3 supply and 1 property transformation of China Energy Conservation and Environmental Protection Group, Beijing Enterprises Group Company Limited, and China Great Wall Aluminum Corporation, and the central heating projects in Chuzhou County and Jing County of Hebei Province, the nuclear power project of the SNPTC, and the thermal power project of Ningxia Tianyuan Corporation, the comprehensive transformation project of the 2 plus 660 MW power unit external heat and gas supply of CR Power Heze, the heating project of Yongfeng Group, and the hot air units project of Lu'an Group, Xi'an Xingfu Pharmaceuticals, Yan'an Kerosene and Gas Resources Comprehensive Utilization Project of Shanxi Yangchang Petroleum, 200 MW battery project of Xining Branch Company of SPIC, Xi'an Solar Power, Shijiazhuang Zhongguo Automobile, and a series of other key projects of national and local governments, thus winning a high praise. The group has established offices in Beijing, Tianjin, Inner Mongolia, and Xi'an, and other cities in northeast China, so as to contribute to Shandong's leading position in China. The chairman of the group was rated as the influential Jinan economic person in 2018 by the Jinan Municipal Party Committee and Municipal Government. The company was rated as the first brand name enterprise in 2019. In 2018, under the support of Shandong Provincial Party Committee and the provincial government, GuoChen Group, as a representative of high-end equipment, signed a national strategic cooperative relationship with China Energy Conservation and Environmental Protection Group and Beijing Enterprises Group Company Limited, thus keeping pace with those giants. At present, as a group has already the construction capacity of the whole county and city, it has become a central heating service provider in Jing County and Chuzhou County in Hebei Province, Wuzhou County in Ningxia-Hui Autonomous Region, and the whole Ninyang County in Shandong Province, which has formed a large industrial layout from the point to the surface, enterprises to the city, Shandong to the whole nation. Industrial responsibility comes from the Chinese dream. Nowadays, based on technological change and industry building frontier, GuoChen Group once again promotes the industry to higher areas like intelligent heating. GuoChen Group actively explores the technological innovation, the integration of production, education, and research, and has established long-term cooperation with Shandong University, Tilu University of Technology, Shandong Jianzhou University, University of Jinan, and other professional research institutes and universities, and creates the postgraduate base and training base. In cooperation with Shandong University, the group established Shandong University GuoChen Group Design Institute and GuoChen Group International Academician Workstation to create a new height for scientific research. The group puts lots of efforts into creation and research to promote the development of industry, thus receiving dozens of national patents and 8 provincial environmental protection certificates, among which the GuoChen Cloud Intelligent Automatic Heat Exchange Station was appraised as a famous product in Shandong, and more were honored with innovative energy-saving and environmental-friendly products and or above the provincial level. GuoChen Group, guided by party construction, deeply practices the essence of corporate culture of building a family, doing the same thing to achieve the same goal. The party branch of the group was rated as the demonstration site of the 2 new organization party building work in Jinan. The leading group of the party branch was rated as an outstanding team in Jinan City. Diligent, conscientious, and international-oriented, the group has built a highly qualified, strategic and thoughtful leadership team and a team of highly efficient, united, and enterprise employees. It also shoulders social responsibilities, actively participates in social welfare, donates money to support education, provides assistance, promotes culture, supports education, protects the environment, engages in charity, and wins a good social reputation. Unremitting, GuoChen Group is firmly grasping a new round of reform in the national industry of environmental protection and a good opportunity for the transformation and upgrading of new and old driving force for good. Based on the existing industrial advantages of sewage treatment and smart heating integration, the company actively expands the industry chain and vigorously enters the industry of desalination, soil remediation, and other environmental protection areas supported by the state, and cooperates with Shandong University and the Desalination Technology Research Center of State Oceanic Administration. Efforts are made to create a core technology brand for seawater desalination in large-scale production and to create an industry group featured by technology, innovation, environmental protection, and wisdom and energy conservation with international influence. It strives to establish a century-old enterprise and realize the dream of 10 billion.